original rotors, and the pulleys, you see they are not round, and that's the trick behind it. They say this. Due to this ankled lid here, they don't roll actually, so they move, they slide, kind of. That's a standard Honda variator. We have here the standard Honda vario roll, and we have the pulley. We see it has a different shape. And why does it have that? Let's start with the Honda one. The Honda sits here, and then it slides. It doesn't really roll, it slides up here and down, up here and down, and up here and down. Yo. But the thing is, this is round, but the lid above it is not round, it's straight. You see? Round and straight. So in the end, when it moves like this, the roll cannot get really high up because of the wrong shape. I mean, it works short, yeah, no problem, but there is perhaps some potential. That's why Pulley was thinking, how about ankling a little bit like this. You see, this is ankled and it fits the variator ankle here, and it fits the variator lid, back lid here. You see the difference? Ankled, nearly the same ankle, round, ankled. That's the whole trick. This slides, doesn't roll, slides up, slides down, slides up, slides down. That's where the sliders are needed, so test it first. If they slide here, they do fit here very well. Do they fit here? They don't. If they don't, as in this case, just take a rasp and work the edges out. Go! Woohoo! This is my scooter, that's not mine. Bist du deppert? Ein Biest! Sorry, ja. Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?